Jharkhand. This is Nitesh Agarwal, and I have a question related to your aim. So, do you have a sort of blueprint to achieve your aim in your life?
Actually, now my aim is to be a writer, but I haven't achieved my goal. Actually, I'm working on it.
But what sort of blueprints do you have to achieve?
I didn't got you. Did get you?
What sort of blueprints, roadmap, strategic planning of yours in order to achieve your targets?
Yeah, especially right now my target is to be a very good speaker. Just like you can see here, I joined here. What is the reason behind that? I want to be a very good speaker, and secondly, I want to be a very good teacher, so that I can teach students very well. Two are my currently goals.
Yeah, next questions.
Anyone?
Yeah, sure.
Good morning. Now, Sadhanam is here. I have a question regarding your aim. As you have mentioned here, you want to be a writer. Which type of writer do you want?
Actually, I want to write articles on different topics.
Have you written any article?
Yeah, I've written articles, and I think B Media, even I shared my articles with Me Media website, and even they published my article. But at that time, I'm not interested because I think that was very simple platform.
On which language?
What?
On which language you have written article?
English language. On different topic, just like honesty is the base policy, or on suppose some topics regarding personality of person, regarding religion. These are the topics.
Which media is going
Regarding religion. The next question, please. Next. Anyone can arise questions. Yes, Abhijit. What's your question?
Ma'am, you said you write about religion, right? So, what is the actual definition of religion in terms of you? What you mean about religion?
Yeah.
And a short question, one more question. I want to add one more question. Is what's your opinion on the recent CAA that has been a long-lasting protest? That is Citizen Amendment Act. Since you are writing about religion, I want a specific answer from you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I have a question. As you stated here, religion is a set of rules.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the difference between personal law and common law? Common law, that is the constitution. Constitution is also sets of rules.
Yeah.
So what is the main difference?
Yeah, difference is that constitution includes.
Both are sets of law. That's why I'm asking this
Yeah,
question.
I know, both are sets of laws. But according to me, actually constitution is sets of rules, I know, but that includes every religion. Yeah, actually I've already told that constitution is also sets of rules and personal law. Difference is that in constitutions, rules are different, right? And in personal law, these rules are also different. In religious sets of rules includes whole humanity, goodness. But in constitutions, some are demerit.
One question.
Means you are saying, don't you think that you are molding and folding your statement? Because as of now, we haven't got our satisfied answer. What is the difference between a common law and a personal law?
Suppose when we talk about Indian constitution, then it guides whole Indian, right? It guides whole Indian. But when we talk about religious set of rules, then it guides whole humanity.
Ma'am, you talked about religious rules and regulation, constitution rules and regulation. Just a specific answer, I don't want any clarification. Which is more important, constitutional law or religious law?
Both are important.
And it is the constitution, it is the common law that allows us to follow your personal law as well. Let's take another question, please.
Hello ma'am, this is Rohit Raj.
That's it. Please take a seat. Thank you so much. Nice question. Very helpful. Thank you so much.